When an RV fridge fails to operate on electricity, it typically indicates a problem with voltage flow in the 120 volts AC chain. Possible causes of this issue include a tripped circuit breaker in the electrical panel box, an unplugged power cord, a faulty 120 volts electric fuse, or a defective circuit board. To resolve the problem, start by checking if the circuit breaker is switched on. If it's off, simply flip it back on. Next, examine the fridge's power cord and ensure it's properly plugged into its dedicated outlet, usually located on the exterior lower access panel. Use a voltmeter to verify if the outlet is supplying sufficient voltage. If necessary, replace the electric fuse or circuit board. Access the circuit board. Inspect the 120 volts electric fuse for any damage, such as a broken glass casing, and replace it if necessary. Similarly, replace the circuit board if its components appear charred. If you're unsure about any aspect of the process, it's recommended to consult a qualified RV repair technician for assistance. By following these steps, you should be able to identify and fix the issue preventing your RV fridge from working on electricity.